Danger, Ichi, Driz, and the Sagangan. Omukofa how no mode Jasrama, Egu Akrani Triso, play our practice, you know, on never be goes. Or more matches be on bonombo chance to go say, we say Nkunkwa. Nana, football and cancer. On paper. Akra we profit.
But just how long would Christopher Nkunku?
Oh, so when you're your Leipzig now. But when some person catch a danger, I must say, Werner did better at Leipzig than Nkunku before Oba. It's no beyond in the crack. The Mumpase be say, Omudi Jabi go Akra ni Triso a force on the yes, so the I am.
I say Werner no bo chance. But only has there is a chance.
Me say, Omunya butre because ki Sani injury na Akra ni ayen. I feel no say be pre-season.
Yes.
Then he would have to warm into their season. Master Zombie to me and come man ready by January. You know. Give him all the time and all the chance to heal properly. And me hey, it will take a miracle. And a man Christopher Nkunku aba. Not the Chelsea every 10th or 5th.
SOMPA Sports. No,
look, you have to believe in him. He has the ability. On the preseason matches are no pride. Yes. Nkunku is here to play a competitive game. The adaptation to life in the Premier League and all that, even to his teammates, it will take some time.
Omono is a time now. Sheshen Kofi is similar member. On Pedri na Sheshen Kofi. Zedad Mudupa. Omono craning and Yeti Amashivazingu. Just for the bishop. Omono Nkunku dio.
Nkunku nimbo.
Akome unzo omo so Nkunku dio no super.
Except for say, omo yesa. Name Mira. Assuming Nani say, we are not talking about a world-class attacker.
Yes.
So I say, give him time. And then the fourth so pra.
David.
After all, they know you're more pre-season. No. So really, born a total animal until it gives good vibes. Nemum, danger mbenya botre, kofi boache, videos no benya botre, ichi nya botre, basit, macho man a fish, nya botre.
About it, fish.
So fish born be no in them. So look, omunya botre ma kra no kra because they know omo on your born no. So one Ben Football Club I home come need the players warm into the season.
Yes,
it takes them sometimes up to 10 games. I feel Nkunku obe warming. No say the level Andrew Obia or Premier League no fitness wise. I feel no be injury free fit, match fit. No, about matches na your match sharpness and some on your peak. Anyway, we kwaya omodeme nam so wi asena. Me de masam to anim say, "Se mama Zerubbabel be shomo na. Me nyesho se me ni bit matina kroa." And na Zerubbabel no bi anim say me no na church.
Yes.
So what I say? Da ben na wa kwa. So what I say? En no akra de in 10 time Kenzie di be wo mu ni say, "I'm on 400 million for need decide the key games."
But
Zerubbabel no kwa is my Ghana say. So what I say? But assembly tintin ni titing ni. E bedroom rebino. Some of the players in Chelsea, they would have to get out of the shadows of others and play. Oh, of course. A bedroom rebino. Just a ball. You have to play. Yeah, of course. Minye. Your friend was saying Abu Dhabi. You don't say be there ball. Then they show you to say talk about then na this year koto ne charge aba. Look, at some point, your quality must stand out. This is me. Take the game by the scruff of the neck. Jibon and abo. Game no like ngolo konto di ni akwa na ebo game no. You get it. Says Zerubbabel ko Enzo Fernandez ko Bobby. E wo Manchester for ho na. E nyoma mi na waye. He's shut them up. He's underscored his potential once again. And he's made a statement. I've come to dominate again, and then I've taken the game away from who is supposed to be a direct rival. That's what I'm looking forward to. And there could be a defining night for Manchester City. And some are Pep Guardiola come. If they maintain their usual levels on Magic Premier League, what's not the women's from background? Manchester Jai. the time will come soon. So, look, the standard for winning the Premier League has been significant. Kwame has to G Premier League. At Danny. Last time at Chelsea G Premier League, under Conte, if the standard you need to meet, so the Premier League has been altered forever.
Yeah, yes, saying.
Margin of error, I babe too.
Then
Okay, you can actually get 95 points in the league.
Yeah, England is there.
So, and nipa ba couldn't stop. One person no yes I know.
Nipa ba couldn't.
Pep Guardiola.
Easy.
Look, we're building a solid machine. Okay, no matter the situation, they find an answer for you.
But meaning a finance almost struggle.
And nothing na ye bomb by struggles no because there January, February, March no on recover.
But Bishop Budima de ba could be a man notice. Agomia meaning the Maris had we are. Gado or any power, but from last season at the ban or top players be more more. But also already to go for that is Spain under 21 on left back.
Gomez.
Bishop Bonizi Kauno. I used to be just go by your ball.
More, yeah.
Or more talk one video team ball now you do kuno.
Yeah.
But back we are no Chelsea. No am fat.
Ojam Elubina and Rana Danimo Kana say. Guardiola no anything or make statements because people don't see it.
No, but football, the currency for judging football, resolve.
I don't know be out.
I
didn't have Pep Kafa Calvin Phillips. What them Pochettino?
That's it.
And I eat it go come find the player.
Our head Phillips, Leeds United. Unia and the referee ball.
Some the homes beba. Intike and then a good night for Enzo Fernandez or Becca Kumiano to Mama. So I say, Nasa Zeruba so Koyena went me and Canon on to ma. If you watch any danger, would use Mujani. And Jana dream dear, a 2 night a day corner.
East or West?
Eh, baby, ah. Oh, back be now the talk on
actually.
Massa. Tiana, you know.
Now, if some new manager bounce or one.
And then I make calls is the Arsan Governor. Among a newly promoted team be our way in 4 games. Aye.
I'm a record no.
Aye. Liverpool for no Sheffield. Among newly promoted side were away. Last 4 games, I'm about newly promoted sides that they struggle. And they are on the cusp of something special. Wait to say Tottenham. Any Brighton match has been on boy and out of 6, Omunya 1 point. Okay? So Liverpool in just 6 points against Sheffield and the Crystal Palace. Arsenal will play their next Premier League game under pressure for the first time.
Yes.
So Liverpool eshe ene. No mu timi Crystal Palace 12:30 mimenda. Arsenal bebo against Aston Villa. Villa Park. Ebro mu nim se omonda first. Now depending on what Manchester City also do, okay, it could be some must beat my by Arsenal. But Sheffield and Chris Wilder could hamper Liverpool, especially the absence of Alisson. The reason is quite simple. Sheffield said they would have to target Liverpool with crosses because Kelleher so that's the way to go. But the new manager bounce could come. Or the dog park so now new managers will call for a fight. Liverpool also actually says one more chances to go. So what if they don't get more chances? You get it. So a dicey game. For the betters, I'm predicting that both teams will score tonight.
Oh, okay.
A double chance Liverpool.
Yo.
Good.
Bishop.
So I say,
Bishop.
Mira.
I thought that only I come here. And they're fine.
And then me da chene me niji na dwe shawanzem. Enjawzem. Okay. Douglas Luiz, one of the players Sebi. It's me mobi enintia. Akunya brofun ya say the axiom he's been prostituted around. by his parent club.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, Douglas Luiz, he's been prostituted. The NSS Sebi Oba Jantren, you know. Unimbonible.
SOMPA Sports.
And Luiz Efri Brazil. And we're joining City Football Group. And Luiz Eko Girona.
Yes.
And then the fact for moi, 190 Europe, Luiz by still no number on the bimbo. And no catching the number for us, or no person about Brazil national team, nibi. Until look, or be PBB catcher almost a look. A moment in permanent place. Baby, I'm going to call you no so. So, I'm going to turner, no more the buyback shame. Now, what kind of memoir of City Football Groups, no, or more executives now, or more EDS, Manchester, I'm from Elite Development School, or more academy. No. It's only Chelsea, I'm saying, I'm bracket. Most of the good players are running through. It's a City Academy boys, no, do not across Europe.
Yes.
Mechamo, Jadon Braff, Jadon Sancho, Edini Bebre. Omo mo Manchester City.
Him the SOMPA.
Do dona. Mira. Douglas Luiz, every City Football Group, Aqua Aston Villa on loan. He excelled, but no more peneso. They didn't want to lose him. And no more the buyback is a shame, no more and permanent. Arsenal tried getting Douglas Luiz.
Yes.
Liverpool had inquired about Douglas Luiz. Even Chelsea inquired about him. Good. Many believe so in ball. Now, the amount Douglas Luiz is special and a set piece ability. And then, Douglas Luiz will be the difference in that Manchester City game.
Bishop, and also a tough game.
He's going to be the difference. Now, these guys have a near perfect home record.
Yes.
About very good football. And now, game no transition football. Okay? I'm for 50 man for no match, man. Me kind of nice of Kito Awacha say.
SOMPA Sports.
Tactical say. Player or ambidextrous we chire hon. Nani mi enu nyina ye adwuma no. No nim pass ball. He offers you the verticality. So when on the pia ball no mfimfin ho, na ye beje from nsema. On me pia ball no mfimfin. Into omo ya Douglas Luiz drops. Na John McGinn ne konanim. Na Musa Diaby mo be with. Benkum ni nifa. Because Diego Carlos they no all Sevilla. Waba. As the concert ho. And a Pau Torres. Omu nyina nim pass ne ball. Ne obreka kra bi Pau Torres or left footed no. Or the two nifa no so a.
Yeah, no break.
Obre. But benkum no so no. Baby ojina be about 2 manaba. Aston Villa boss our ball now. Almost about the second ball attack. Yabo ball no ko wiem no. I will be a pimato form. Quickly, almost Aston Villa for no draw. On the second ball. And in terms of profiling, Mira, almost team no show mudia. Akumia almost stylistic profile power. Almost styles no. SSA. Mira, Minsura. Meti me bisa say. Anyenye bia player. Your friend Musa Diaby. Only Leon Bailey, or more boy, who difference?
That difference be any. I'm born the sepa.
Bit may be amount. Omumi Onunina on the left. Anabako on the right. But the reality is that Aston Villa would seek to profit from Neoni Akumia Kanisisian. If they do one better Manchester City. No more. Someone Saka. Mini Nisu say Omon Sanka. The moment I can hear Rodri. Mira, Master Nitin and say, a bonny bonshia, a drebiani the eba. I was like, Jeff, I know I tried with much. Wolves and Manchester City, no. Ne Jao Gomez. Midfielder be or Wolves. Honestly, Chilaman for this Kakese, but honestly, Brazil, defensive midfielder. Nejumana Douglas Luiz Bayan and Adrino. Nemum nka otwi jasana you fight fire with fire. Rodri ni ho. Until Kosab game nim a long switch to the right. Wolves on mbo pass na Dawson na nebo oba na neto ebenkuma.
Yeah.
Me come it was a neto ni Bailey and then Diaby. Omu profile the difference in shedanim.
And a Man City bebre.
They would need to do something special.
Bebre.
So I said they would need to do Rodri ni ho. The entire Rodri ho me de masem sinimira. Rodri ho a osesa no man. So mbenya goal na Jagil share na mawa. Defensive midfielders. You be more wadring. Anyway, be more sending Jansa wadring. Time Bisuma train ball no koyem. Or Dani nipa mienu ne ba nachi.
Yeah.
Oja nipa ni mienu o machi. Na Rodri na ho. Bisuma was just one option to dribble. And a Rodri buy in name. Rodri buy in name na Bisuma options na be two. So betri Rodri. And I say obe two. Then Rodri second guessed Bisuma. Bisuma yes so born so born two Suliana. And no crossing the nine right no form. And I born the nine. Born the nine or tam born release ye. Born through box to be no. Na Grealish wo ho no. Na Rodri sa ho. For the cutback. Near Holland eba boy china Grealish e kashi mu no. Rodri no je born every Bisuma nsem. No feed and he had continued his run. That is what he brings.
Mate, me di zo che be bana ya ba be di on komo pa. Bo so akwa bana bibi aboko de.
Adum.
Bana SOMPA Sika promotion *256*3#. Mumbi